AI has taken some of Stack Overflow's quick Q&A traffic, but it won't eliminate the need for verifiable knowledge. Chatbots are great for snippets and first drafts, but when the stakes rise, security, production incidents, edge cases, version conflicts, you need more than an answer. You need why it's correct, what others observed, and how it changed over time. That's where Stack Overflow still matters. Stack Overflow's own data shows the shift. In 2024, 76% of respondents said they use or plan to use AI tools in their development process, and roughly 62% already do. So AI isn't a side feature anymore. It's part of the default workflow. The real question is, which problems does AI absorb and which still require community validation and durable references? In Stack Overflow's survey, ChatGPT is the most used AI tool, and 74% of its users want to keep using it next year. That's a strong signal. AI wins on time to first answer, but popularity doesn't guarantee correctness, which is why places that provide correction mechanisms, comments, edits, downvotes, links to docs, remain valuable when correctness matters. Stack Overflow is losing traffic, about 6% per month since 2022, and nearly 14% year over year in 2023. That's not collapse, that's filtering. AI eats the easy beginner questions. What's left are the hard, real-world problems. Broken migrations, failing integrations, version bugs, and systems that behave differently under real load. Academic work suggests an accelerated decline in contributions, but also evidence that after ChatGPT, the difficulty bar on Stack Overflow increased. Questions can become more complex and demanding. Practically, Stack Overflow becomes less of a beginner help desk, more of a living archive for edge cases and problems you shouldn't guess your way through. AI often provides an answer without providing a proof trail. That matters in production and security contexts. Stack Overflow's 2025 survey notes that positive sentiment toward AI dropped compared to prior years. A practical rule: use AI for drafting, but use Stack Overflow and Docs for verification. What assumptions apply, which versions matter, and what failure modes others already saw. AI is excellent at boilerplate, translating errors, sketching tests, refactoring, and fast explanations. That reduces the need to ask simple questions publicly. But when you hit works locally, fails on CI, only breaks on ARM, or regression after upgrading a dependency, you need community context, real repros, and debate. That's where Stack Overflow remains a practical tool. GitHub reports AI adoption starts immediately. Nearly 80% of new developers use Copilot within their first week. That pushes many answers into the editor. But when reality disagrees, CI failures, runtime bugs, dependency quirks, you return to reference layers, issues, docs, and often Stack Overflow for community-tested patterns and pitfalls. The best workflow is hybrid. AI accelerates drafting. Stack Overflow helps you discover known pitfalls and proven alternatives. Docs and tests close the loop. In teams, you can formalize this. Any AI-assisted fix must include a repro, a test, and a reference link, so/docs/issue. That turns AI from fast. AI won't kill Stack Overflow. It will remove the platform's role as the first stop for trivial questions. What remains and grows in value is Stack Overflow as a durable archive and a peer review layer for problems where correctness matters and context is everything. Use AI for speed and Stack Overflow to avoid repeating expensive mistakes other engineers already paid for. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, consider subscribing for more technical, no-hype analysis of AI and technology.